Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about that module number 4, that is Corona. Here we are going to discuss about that problems on Corona. So let us see that problem number 1, that is a three-phase line has conductors 2 centimeters in diameter spaced equilaterally 1 meters apart. If the dielectric strength of the air is 30 kilovolts maximum per centimeter, find the disruptive critical voltage for the line. Take air density factor del is equal 0.952 and irregularity factor m0 is equal 0.9. So this is the problem what they given to us. So it is a three-phase transmission line which consists of two conductors. So the distance between the two conductors having 2 centimeters in diameter, spaced equilaterally 1 meter apart. So if the dielectric strength of the air they given, that is 30 kilovolts maximum per centimeter, and find the disruptive critical voltage. So we have to find out that VC. So air density factor del value they given 0.952 and irregularity factor, that is nothing but surface roughness on the surface area of the conductor, m0 value they given, that is 0.9. So we have to calculate that disruptive critical voltage. So as we know that disruptive critical voltage VC is equal formula m0 into g0 into del into r into log of base E into d by r kilovolts per phase. So this is the thing what is the formula here. And one more thing here, conductor spacing d is equal 1 meter they given. The spacing between the two conductors equilaterally 1 meters apart. If you see here they given that 1 meter apart. So conductor spacing d is equal 1 meter. If we convert that 1 meter into centimeters, it becomes into 100 centimeters. And diameter of the conductor d value they given in this problem. Here d is equal how much they given, 2 centimeter here. So if d is equal 2 centimeter, then radius of the conductor r is equal diameter by 2. So it is already in centimeters, so it will come to 1 centimeter. So radius of the conductor r is equal 1 centimeter, and conductor spacing between the two conductors, that is 100 centimeters. Then dielectric strength of the air they given in the problem, that is G0. G0 is equal 30 kilovolts maximum per centimeter. So 30 kilovolts maximum per centimeter means if I want to convert the value into RMS value, I want to divide 30 divided by root 2. If I am going to divide that 30 by root 2 here, this value may come 21.2 kilovolts. So if it becomes that 21.2 kilovolts, then in the problem already they given that disruptive critical voltage value they given, that is we have to calculate disruptive critical voltage. That is the formula VC is equal m0 into g0 into del into r into log of base E into d by r kilovolts per phase. So I am going to substitute m0 value, that is 0.9, and g0 value RMS value I am going to substitute like 21.2 into del value 0.952 and r value radius of the conductor, that is 1 centimeter 1, and log of base E into d by r. D by r, d means here conductor spacing d they given 1 meter, so I can write it as 100 centimeters. 100 divided by then r is nothing but radius of the conductor, again 1, so 100 by 1, log of base E of 100 by 1. So after doing simplification, that is 0.9 into 21.2 into 0.95 into 1 into log of base E into 100 by 1. So if we get, that is 83.64 kilovolts per phase. So I want to calculate that line voltage. So now we are calculated the phase voltage. I am converting into line voltage by multiplying into root 3, because it is a system which is given for three-phase system. So therefore line voltage, that is RMS value, that is equal root 3 into 83.64. It becomes 144.8 kilovolts is the ultimate answer according to the given problem to find the line voltage. And according to the given problem, here we are calculated that disruptive critical voltage The disruptive critical voltage here we got 83.64 kilovolts per phase is the answer. Next, so now here we are going to discuss one more problem, that is a 132 kV line with 1.956 centimeters diameter. Conductors is built so that corona takes place if the line voltage exceeds 210 kilovolts, that is RMS, full stop. If the value of potential gradient at which ionization occurs can be taken as 30 kilovolts per centimeter, find the spacing between the conductors. So we have to find out the spacing between the conductors. So the spacing between the conductors means we have to calculate the value of D here. So we have to calculate the value of D, and according to the given data. So if you see that problem very closely, so they given that line voltage, that is 132 kV with 1.956 centimeter diameter they given. Then conductors is built so that corona takes place if the line voltage exceeds 210 kV. So corona effect takes place only when the line voltage exceeds 210 kV. So if the value of potential gradient at which ionization occurs can be taken as 30 kilovolts per centimeter value they given. So now as we know that given data, that is it is a three-phase system. So line is a three-phase system, and here they given the diameter of the conductor 1.956 centimeter they given. Now here I am going to calculate that radius of the conductor R is equal 1.956 divided by 2, it comes 0.978 centimeters, and the dielectric strength of the air, I want to calculate the electric strength of the air, that is G0 value. So here they given 30 kilovolts per centimeter, but I want to take effective value, so I am going to divide that 30 kilovolts divided by root 2. So 30 by root it becomes 21.2 kilovolts, that is RMS value per centimeter. Then I want to calculate that disruptive voltage per phase. A critical disruptive voltage, that is VC is equal, so line voltage 210 by root 3. So I want to convert per phase na. So because they given here it is a line voltage, so 210 by root 3. In this problem they given two voltages. Actually it's a line voltage actually 132 kilovolts, but corona effect has been takes place only at a voltage of 210 kV. So here we have to take that V is nothing but 210 kV to find out that disruptive voltage. So VC is equal to 210 divided by root 3, it comes 121.25 kilovolts. Now we have to assume that the conductors are smooth conductors, then irregularity factor M0 is equal to 1, and at standard pressure and temperature air density factor del is equal to 1, and the space between the conductors D, the value of D here we have to calculate. So now I am going to write the disruptive voltage, a critical disruptive voltage formula. VC is equal M0 into G0 into del into R into log of base E into D by R of kilovolts. So here I am going to substitute M0 value. M0 value already they given, here it is. For irregularity factor M0 is equal to 1, I am placed that M0 is equal to 1, and G0 value here we are calculated, that is dielectric strength of the air 30 kilovolts by root 2, 21.2 kilovolts. So I can take that it has a 21.2 kilovolts into del value here density of air they given, that is equal to 1, and radius of the conductor here we got 0.9878 into log of base E into D by R. So here D value we don't know, so we have to calculate the D value here. So I can simplify that above expression, that is 1 into 21.2 into 1 into 0.978 into log of base E into D by R, it comes 20.733 log of base E into D by R. Left hand side here there is a VC. What is VC? VC is nothing but critical disruptive voltage here. So in this problem we are calculated that critical disruptive voltage. Here critical disruptive voltage we got, that is 121.25. If I am going to equate left hand side VC value as 121.25 is equal to 20.733 into log of base E into D by R. From here log of base E into D by R is equal 121.25 divided by 20.733. So that value can become as 5.848. That we can write into 2.3 log of base 10 into D by R is equal 5.848. So after doing simplification, that is log of base 10 into D by R is equal 5.848 divided by 2.3. So log of base 10 into D by R is equal 2.5426, and again D by R is equal to log of 10. If I send to right hand side becomes log inverse, that is anti-log. So anti-log of 2.5426, D by R value can become as 348.8. Now conductor spacing, I want to calculate the value of D. So D is equal 348.8 into R. As we know that R value is equal 0.978. So therefore by multiplying that 348.8 into 0.978, here we got that D is equal 341 centimeters. So finally, according to the given problem, here we are calculated the value of D, that is the spacing between the two conductors, that is D is equal, here we got, that is 341 centimeters. So according to the given problem, here we are calculated the spacing between the two conductors D value, that is 341 centimeters.